There are thousands of AI prompts online, people claiming these simple prompts can make you money. You've probably seen them too. Use this prompt and earn money. Copy this and start making income. But here's the problem. No one actually shows you what really works and what completely fails. They only show the good part, not the reality. So I decided to test it myself. I took 10 viral AI prompts, the ones people are constantly talking about, and I tested every single one of them. No skipping, no shortcuts, and by the end of this video, you'll see the truth. Which prompts actually work? Which ones are a complete waste of time? And which one actually made me money? Now, before starting, I made sure of one thing. I didn't just pick random prompts. I chose the ones that are already viral, the ones that people are promoting everywhere on YouTube, on TikTok, on blogs. Because if these don't work, then most beginners are just following the wrong advice. And I gave myself one rule. Every prompt has to be tested properly, not just generating something, but actually trying to make money from it, because that's where most people fail. They create something, but never try to sell it. And then they say, this doesn't work. So let's start with the first one. The first prompt was about AI writing blog articles for money. This is one of the most common methods online. Just generate articles, and sell them. Sounds simple, right? So I tried it. I generated a full article, edited it, made it look professional, and then tried to sell it. But here's what happened. Nothing. No interest. No response. And because the truth is, this space is already crowded. Too many people doing the same thing, and no real reason for someone to choose you. So this one completely failed. The second prompt was about generating motivational quotes. You've seen those pages, simple quotes, nice backgrounds, easy content, and yes, it's very easy to create. But here's the problem. Easy doesn't mean valuable. When I tried to turn this into money, I realized no one is paying for this because anyone can do it, and when everyone can do it, there's no demand. So again, no results. The third one was a bit different, AI writing email templates. Now this actually has some real use. Businesses send emails all the time. So I thought this might work. I created a few samples where I tried reaching out, and this time I got something, not money, but replies, which means there's some demand here, but still not strong enough. Then I tested a few more. AI logo ideas, AI generated art, basic script writing, and honestly, most of them looked good. But looking good and making money are two very different things. Some had too much competition, some had no real buyers, and some just didn't solve any real problem. So one by one, they failed. At this point, I started questioning everything. Are these viral prompts even real, or are they just made for views? Because I was doing everything properly and still getting no results. And this is the exact moment where most people give up. But I kept going, and this time I changed my approach slightly. Instead of focusing on easy content, I focused on useful content. Things businesses actually need: caption, short posts, simple writing. And slowly I started getting responses, not payments yet, but replies. And that's important because replies mean you're getting closer. Then came the last one, the 10th prompt, and this one was different. It wasn't trying to be fancy, it wasn't trying to be viral, it was simple but actually useful. It focused on solving a small problem, so I used AI, created content, improved it, and presented it clearly. And this time something changed. I got a real response, a real client. I did the work, sent it, and finally I got paid. Out of 10 viral AI prompts, only one actually made money, just one. And that's when everything became clear. It's not about the prompt, it's not about AI, it's about solving real problems. Most prompts fail because they focus on easy work, not valuable work. If you want to make money with AI, stop chasing viral tricks. Start focusing on real demand. Ask yourself, who needs this? Why would someone pay for this? Does this actually solve something? Because that's where money comes from. AI is just a tool. It doesn't make money on its own. You do. And the moment you understand that, everything changes. So if you want more real experiments like this, where I test what actually works and what doesn't, make sure to subscribe. Because I'm going to keep testing and showing you the truth.